Welcome viewers, hope you are doing great. In this video, you are going to see about how strings can be handled in Python. This video is going to take about like 10 or 12 minutes, but if I'm not able to complete it in that time, then I'll try to release part 2 of this video. Stay tuned. I have opened up the Python IDE and I have chosen the layout horizontal split. Generally, strings in Python can be represented by enclosing anything with either a single quote or a double quote. I'll just show it to you with double quote. Print within double quotes, hi viewers. And if I run this statement, you can see the result in the console. Hi viewers is displayed in the console. Now I'll just comment it and then I will just use single quote. And if I run it, you can see the same effect. I can also do one more thing. I can just use both single quote as well as the double quote. So now here I'm enclosing the hi viewers within a single quote and a double quote. So this statement, you can see the display in the console where the outcome is having the double quotes as well. And I also can do the vice versa, wherein I can just use the double quote outside and then within that I can just use a single quote so that I can just get the same in the display. Yeah, here you go. Next I'll show you the escape sequence in Python. Backslash is the escape sequence in Python, and backslash followed by n, then alphabet n, indicates it's a new line. And this is used to separate strings between different lines, as you can see in this print statement. Backslash followed by a single quote can be used as a apostrophe. So I'm just trying to print I can't. There is something wrong in here. I think I need to remove one of the single quote. I'll try it one more time. Yeah, this has worked. You can see in the console. Next I wanted to just print a file path. Here I wanted to print the C drive /python/name as it appears in the file path in the same format. So I have done that, and when I run the statement, as you can see, Python appears in one line and then AME appears in the next line. So the escape sequence has interpreted that the \n is treated as a special character, and so the characters followed by n is moved to the next line. In order to avoid this from happening, raw strings can be used. Raw strings can be applied by adding the character R in front of the first quote, as you can see in the console. And I'll just comment this out. String can also span across multiple lines, and in order to accomplish that, you can use a triple quote. So it can be a triple double quote or triple single quote. As usual, both of this will have the same effect. Here I'm just typing multiple lines, and I'm going to just show you how it is being displayed. It will be displayed as is on how we are seeing here. So in the console, the line breaks and everything would be same. In a practical situation, the string can span across several lines, and there can be several repetitive words within the string. And in order to make the processing easier, the repetitive word can be assigned to the variable, and then the variable can be referenced whenever it is needed. Here Python is repeated twice, and then what I have done is, as you can see, I have assigned the variable name with Python, and I am just replacing Python wherever it is there in the string with the var name, so that it has the same effect. The output has the same effect in the console. I'll just comment out both these statements. Yep. Now I'll show you variable assignment and string concatenations. Here I'm going to use a variable var1, and then I'm going to assign it with py, and var2 I am assigning it with thon, thon. And now if I can concatenate both these variable 1 and variable 2, and in print I am just adding it with plus, and here plus is the concatenation statement. In the console, as you can see, both have been concatenated. Now if I wanted to concatenate say a integer along with string, let's just first try that. Here var3, I just wanted to have number 3 to mention python 3, and in the print statement I am just concatenating with var3. So in the console you can see the error message saying that can only concatenate string and not integer. So in Python we cannot concatenate a string with the integer or any other different data type. But one another interesting thing that you can do with Python is that you can multiply a string with a number and make that string appear that number of times. Here is an example where I am multiplying the string py into 3, and then I am just adding it or concatenating it with thon, and if you see the result you will see it as python. Now I am going to show you how indexing works in string. Here I am just giving a variable as channel name, and then I am assigning the value atom to it. I am just going to print channel name of 0, and you can see the output in the console. A is alone displayed out of the entire string atom, and usually the string, and now if I just put a 1 here, the second character T is displayed, and likewise whenever I increment it, then subsequent characters get displayed. So here the string is indexed in such a way that the first alphabet in the string starts with 0, and the last alphabets in the string starts with the total length of the string minus 1. Indexing also works on the negative side. So here minus 1 indicates the last character of the string, and then minus 2 indicates the character just before the last character, and so on. As you can see, channel name of minus 1 displayed M, which is the last character in atom, and channel name of minus 2 displayed O, which is the just last before 1, and so on. Now I'm going to show you how indexing can be done to retrieve a part of the string. So here I'm just printing channel name of 0 is to 2. That means 0 from 0 to 2 in terms of the index, and 0 is inclusive and 2 is not inclusive. So here you can see 0 and 1, the characters 0 and 1 being displayed in the console, and when I give 0 is to 3, you can see ATO 0, 1 and 2 is being displayed. When I give 0 is to 5, which is more than the length of the string in itself, we can see the entire string getting displayed. But when I give channel name and index it with 5, then I just get an index out of range error, because it's trying to find the fifth character in the string which is not actually present. Now I'll just clear this off and then show you one another example for string length. I'll just create a variable and then assign it with a string value. The name of my YouTube channel is Atom, and then I'll print the length of the particular variable one, var1. So here this gives the entire length or the total number of characters in this variable. I'll just clear this and then I will show you one more indexing technique. So here I am just assigning the value atom to the name variable, and then I am printing the name, and I am indexing it like this, is to 2. So what happens here is it just takes the values from the beginning of the variable and then it just ends it before 2. So here you can see the output as Atmos. Now I'll type one more print statement and I will just append B with say the name variable, and this time I'll just consider the indexing of the name variable on the other way. I will just include the last few characters, and in order to do that I am just starting the indexing with 2 and then I am leaving the other part of the is2 as blank. Here as you can see it just considers the index from 2 and it displays till the end of the variable. Now I'll show you the string method which is represented by str, and here I am giving a print statement with str.upper, and in the parenthesis I am giving atom, and as you can see in the console the atom has been converted into uppercase. Similarly, you can also convert any string completely into lowercase by using str.lower. So there are lots of other string methods available. The documentation is available in python.org. Please refer it for more details. I hope you like the contents of this channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.